The oil and gas industry is at a pivotal moment, facing immense pressure to adopt sustainable practices. Eco-friendly drilling additives are no longer just an option, they're a necessity. With regulatory bodies and environmental advocates demanding change, companies that invest in green alternatives are not only protecting our planet, but also gaining a competitive edge. Innovations in bio-based additives are revolutionizing the field. By replacing harmful chemicals with renewable resources like plant-based polymers and biodegradable fluids, we can minimize our environmental impact without sacrificing performance. Imagine using additives sourced from algae and agricultural waste. Cost-effective and sustainable solutions that drive us forward. Efficiency is crucial. By optimizing formulations and leveraging advanced monitoring technologies, we can significantly reduce additive consumption, cutting costs and minimizing our ecological footprint. This approach leads to less waste and fewer emissions, protecting the ecosystems around us. Shifting towards sustainability is our responsibility. By embracing innovation and collaboration, we can meet energy demands while safeguarding the environment. Change starts with us, and together, we can lead the way to a cleaner, more responsible future.